Here I have MICROMAX Canvas Selfie free, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following devices. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the browser. Here I have the browser. Then let's use the following menu key and select here settings. From the settings, let's choose privacy and security, and here you need to use the following clearing. Let's clear cache, tab OK. Let's clear history, tab also OK. Let's clear all cookie data. Let's clear form data, and here you can also clear the location access and passwords. So in that way you just clear everything from your security. Now you can use your browser without any data. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.